Okay, hi everyone, this is Chili Sin Carne. I'm here back in Shanghai after 10 days in the south, in Guangzhou. So spending the time there with my girlfriend's family here in front of Plaza 66. It's a building very famous in downtown, that one, downtown in Shanghai. I think it's a bit polluted. The good news is that there has been no cases reported in the last week of COVID cases. I also started to work getting new leads for new projects. So this week is going to be crucial, fingers crossed. And my announcement also is that I'm going to close my Facebook account because I think it's something that it has not given me any value so far in the last, since I came back here. It was very useful, really grateful because of that, because I was in contact with people that I haven't seen in many years when I was in Colombia. So I'm very happy for that, but I think now it's no purpose to have checking my Facebook all the time. So that's the reason why I decided to close my Facebook account. So if you want to contact me, please do it on LinkedIn. I'm just gonna migrate everything to LinkedIn. I'm gonna put the details, the description of this video. Also, if you go to my website, you can see my LinkedIn account. If you want to contact me directly, do it on LinkedIn. Okay, so that's it for me now here in Shanghai, Nanjing Shilu, Plaza 66. If you like this video, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I see you guys next time. Bye.